Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. In this video, we're going to talk about the market drop and why I am laughing. Check me out, kid. This is from CNBC. Dow tumbles 900 points for worst day of year on fears of new COVID variant. You got the Dow Jones down 905 points or 2.53%. S&P down 106 for 2.27%. NASDAQ down 353 for 2.23%. Anytime you see a percentage move, this is something I learned many years ago. If you see a percentage move, like 1% up or down, that's significant. So here we have nearly 3 and 2 for 2%. You know what I'm saying? That is very, very ugly. Okay, we can also talk about seasonality because going into Thanksgiving, I did have a number of short positions. When I say short, that means I am betting that the market is going to go down. So I had a number of short positions, and I was concerned because of the seasonality. We're going into the holiday season, and we have what's called, the Santa Claus rally, and historically, if you look at it, this is a bullish time. So going into Thanksgiving, I was concerned about my short positions. I considered closing them at a loss. I did consider that, but I didn't do it. If I'm not mistaken, this is from Bloomberg. And it says U.S. stocks fall on virus woes while havens gain. Markets wrap. So what that means, havens gain, people probably flooded into assets that are considered safe. Is I had one of my clients, one of my partners, reach out to me. And okay, so my client said, grand afternoon, 900 point drop in the Dow. Now, I said, yep. And you see, that's my emoji. That's my favorite emoji right there. You know what I'm saying? So the client said, was I affected? I said, of course. I was just messing with her, because obviously she was concerned, which means most people then would have a perception if they see a serious drop in the Dow that they will lose money, that you can't make money in that environment. So look at the emoji, the deer in the headlights emoji. How bad? And I just hit her with the jewel right there. I made you money. And look at that satisfaction right there. So this is just to let you guys know that you can make money even when stocks go down. Okay? And you can do that by shorting, or if you're trading options, buying put options. Okay, so here is the take. We were closed on Thanksgiving the 25th. So here we are on the 26th, and this is what I made. This is what I made after losses. I know at the opening bell, I had $900 and change. Okay, now obviously some of the positions that I had did suffer. So I had to close those positions because at this point, we really don't know what's going to happen right now. We can really shave some serious points on all the major indexes. So I had some long positions that I closed. Okay, so at the end of the day, I came home with that. Okay, let's get a little bit into the positions. So I had some cover calls on SH, RWM, and PSQ. I opened these a while ago. Let me see. I can't see it from here. I opened these cover calls a while ago, and since they're now moving, I just decided to take a hit on them and resell. Okay, so you can take a look for my cover call video. I talk a little bit about cover calls. If you have questions about cover calls, leave those questions down in the comments and I will clarify. But basically, a cover call is when you own 100 shares of an asset, stock or ETF, and you cap your gains by saying, let's say I bought RWM at $20, right? So I may sell a covered call here. You can see I sold a covered call for $24. Okay, so now if it goes to 30, I'm going to leave $6 on the table, or $600, because it's each contract is $100 shares. So, being that I didn't like the premium I received, when you sell a cover call, you're going to get some money. They call that a premium. So I didn't like that premium. So since I had a nice, good day, I just closed those and resold them for a higher premium, because now the premium on them is a little bit more juicy since the market is shitting the bed. Then I had a IWM Russell 232 call expiring December 3rd. Things can turn around by December 3rd. We have Black Friday yesterday, and we have Cyber Monday. So, maybe that could push the market up. However, we broke serious support on all indexes, and we are now on a bearish trend. Same thing with the SPY, December 8th, 470 call. We could get there. I don't know. I just decided to take the loss, and here are my losses. So those are the cover calls I was telling you about. Lost $13 there, $33 there, $55 there. And these are my two calls on the IWM and the SPY respectively. So, it is what it is, but I still came home with 505.65 for the day on one of the ugliest days that I've seen in the game. Check it out. The Santa Claus rally was coined in the early 1970s. Oh, that's my era right there. It's when I came on the scene. By a stock market analyst who noticed an anomaly of generally higher market returns between the first trading session after Christmas and the first two trading sessions of the new year. Also, we still got a little bit of time before this thing is supposed to kick in. We'll see what happens. Okay. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a brief update. Keep an eye out on my new $500 challenge video. That'll be coming to you guys shortly. This is your brother in trading and investing, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.